Magnificent Seven has become the hateful eight. For years, 7 stocks have carried the whole market. They were unstoppable, they were dominant, they were can't miss, but now those same stocks are doing the exact opposite. They're not leading the market anymore, they're dragging it down. So let's take a look at this chart. What it shows is the contributions to the S&P 500 from the Magnificent Seven, plus Oracle, compared to the rest of the index. Each dot represents how much a stock has contributed to the overall market performance this year. Now here's what stands out. A group now being called the Hateful Eight, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Alphabet, Meta, Tesla, and Oracle are clustered below zero. That means that despite their size and influence, they are actually pulling the S&P 500 down, not pushing it up. Meanwhile, the rest of the market, the other 490 plus companies, they're doing the heavy lifting right now. That's a major shift from what we've seen over the past several years. Markets don't stay concentrated forever, but when they are, and that leadership breaks, the impact can be significant, and that's what we're seeing. So if your portfolio is heavily tilted toward those names, you didn't just miss out, you likely felt that downside more than you expected. This is what happens when momentum reverses. The biggest winners don't just slow down, they can become the biggest headwinds. This is exactly why we take a risk-first approach here at Cloud Investments. We don't build portfolios dependent on a handful of stocks continuing to outperform because history shows they won't forever. Instead, we focus on diversification across asset classes, across sectors, and strategies. So when leadership changes, portfolios are prepared, not exposed. The higher the concentration, the greater the consequences when the leadership breaks. 2 things to keep in mind here. First, market leadership can flip faster than most investors expect. Second, over-concentration, even in the best companies, can become a risk, not a strength. That's why balance and discipline matter more than ever. This is Aaron Howard, and this has been your weekly market update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next week.